So today we're making guacamole.
Guacamole? Mm-hmm. What is guacamole?
I don't know.
I don't know. But we're going to make it anyway, huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because we made it and Daddy destroyed it, right?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't destroy I ate it. Because it was delicious.
Mm-hmm. So now we're going to tell our friends how to make it too, right? Mm-hmm. So
okay.
We'll put the recipe up, but you're going to use, it says 2 avocados, but these were pretty small. So we got 3, 1 jalapeno pepper, there's black pepper, cilantro, salt, it said cherry tomatoes, but we got grape tomatoes and lime juice.
Mm-hmm. So we'll put the recipe down in the description of the video.
And to peel our avocados, first I cut them in half, then I'm using this little thing, but we'll put a link to something similar that's on Amazon. It's nice because you can pick which end and squeeze it, but we found one on Amazon similar. And you just squeeze it in. It pretty much cleans out your avocado for you.
So it makes it really easy to get
all the
good stuff out of the avocado and leave the skin behind. So you could use a spoon, but this seems to be a lot faster. So there we go. We're just going to clean these out, put them in the Ninja.
We're using the, I think it's a 64 ounce with the chopper blade.
Yeah, and this is the chopper blade. So if you don't have a Ninja with the chopper blade, you can still make this in your blender or your food processor or whatever you have available. You can make it work.
That's pretty easy, huh, kiddo? Easier than I expected.
Alright, so we got the avocados cleaned out and in the chopper, and then we have it on top of the base. Now we're going to add
our, it was just seeded and cut into big chunks jalapeno.
Boom.
And then we're going to add, you want to do it? We're adding our salt.
Boom.
Is it not coming out? It was wet. Okay, what are you going to go with next? Cilantro.
Boom.
And all of this you can add more or less to your taste. She won't do the pepper.
She won't do the pepper?
This is just black pepper, corns that we ground up.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. And
just lemon juice, lime juice? Lime juice, so. Okay. Boom. Easy, easy peasy.
now the favorite part. Okay. Make sure you lock your lid on. Then we turn the power on and go, kiddo. Wrong way. She's a little heavy-handed.
Is that it? You just do it once?
Well, it said a couple of pulses,
Or like,
but she does one big
okay.
pulse.
So you're supposed to pulse it.
But then, if you want to take a look,
Yum.
we like ours a little smoother, but depending on how you like it.
Yeah.
So we're just going to do it a little bit more.
And pulse a couple more times. Or just run it as long as you want to. We need to define pulse. That's a pulse. There you go. There you go.
And then you make sure you take the power off before you...
Is that?
Watch out for a second.
Okay.
There, now it's moving.
Then you very
There it
carefully take your blade out, scoop it into your bowl, and serve it up with chips.
Be very careful when you remove the blades. They're extremely sharp. We're just using a little scraper to
Get all the good stuff.
save as much guacamole as we can. And you just blend it to your liking, so if you needed to, you know, scrape down the sides and blend it again, you're more than welcome to do that.
Okay, So there it is. Guacamole I had never made until earlier this week because I always was intimidated by it. I thought it was difficult for some reason, and it turns out it's really simple. It'd be great on a salad if you're into like Southwest salad, family taco night or Mexican night, something like that. Appetizers for the big game. So give it a try. I hope you like it. It was easier than I expected. And thanks for watching. Bye.